Andrew. What are you doing?
You don't even know how to do this. You're not an artist. You're a failure.
Wait, what is my question? And how is there an answer to a question that I don't even know? Huh? To figure out what this question is, we're gonna need to get some coffee. Hey, how are ya? He's about to ask it. Hey, what do you do? There it is. And no matter what I say, it's always the same response. Okay, cool. Do you like it? Yeah, I like it. And no matter what I do or I don't do, it's always as if I could be doing something more. But is it really supposed to be like that? You know, if I were you, I would take my savings and try to put that into a retirement plan. Hallelujah, hallelujah. So now that we have this question looming over us of, am I good enough? Will I achieve anything great? Or what am I here for? It's time to find the answer. We're often unaware that comparison has nestled its way into our thoughts. It's easy to find ourselves complaining about our situations and why it's so hard for us. We often measure ourselves against others and always find ourselves lacking, almost as if the hero story is not written for us. We find ourselves looking to others as signposts, guides that we're on the right direction, but that often leaves us feeling more lost than found. There's a quote I like. You've probably heard, with great power comes great responsibility, but I like the one where the nouns are switched. With great responsibility comes great power. When we realize life doesn't just happen to us, that the door won't just magically swing open, that who we are today is just an accumulation of what we've done, that's when the magic of life starts to unfold. We look at life with great boldness, aware that our choices mean something. And life is here and now, and we are created to mold and shape the environment around us. But that doesn't come by copying others. That comes by looking within. I live by the notion that we already have all the answers within us. The hard part is finding them. And that comes by being you, all of you. The messiness, the passionate, the creative, the uncertain, the insecure, the confident, every single part of you played out. It creates a reality that allows us to feel the most alive. I think most of us just need a little encouragement, a guiding light that lets us know we're on the right path, that we're not crazy.
Our deepest fear is not that we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we are powerful beyond measure. It is our light, not our darkness, that most frightens us. Your playing small does not serve the world. There is nothing enlightened about shrinking so that other people won't feel insecure around you. We were all meant to shine as children do. It's not just in some of us, it's in everyone. And as we let our own light shine, we unconsciously give other people permission to do the same. As we are liberated from our own fear, our presence automatically liberates others.
I'm fascinated by the ones that pursue their dreams and never give up. The ones crazy enough to think they could change the world. Because the ones crazy enough to think they can make a difference are the ones that do.